Good morning, this is Miss Colosso. So today we're going to do some addition. So let's go over some vocabulary first. So the word add means that your number is going to get bigger. It's not going to get smaller, it's going to get bigger. So let me grab my pen and I'm going to make an arrow that goes up because your number should get bigger, okay? Now, this is the plus sign, and the plus sign tell us to add. So right here, you're going to add 3 plus 4. You're going to add the 3 cookies and the 4 cookies, okay? So just remember that the plus sign looks like this, and it's telling us to add the numbers together. Now, this symbol right here is called the equal sign. The equal sign helps show the total. So it tells us the answer. It tells us how much we have in that group. So right here we have 3 cookies plus 4 cookies equals 7 cookies. So in this entire group, I have 7 cookies. Now, one thing to do is to draw a picture or to make little circles when you're trying to solve a problem. For example, if I have 1 plus 1 and I need to find the answer to this problem, I can draw a little circle here because this number is 1. And then right here, I have to draw another circle because it's number 1. And then I have to add them all together and I get 1 circle, 2 circles. So I have 2 circles in that group, and my answer is 1 plus 1 equals 2. So now we're going to do some problems together. So our first problem is 5 plus 2 equals what? We're going to try to find our missing number here, our answer. Now I'm going to draw my little circles to help me find the answer. So right here, this number is telling me that I have to make 5 circles. So I'm going to do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then my second number here is telling me that I have to make 2 circles. 1, 2, and then my last step is to add them all together, okay? So we're going to add them all together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer for this problem is 7, and this is how you write the number 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now our second problem is 5 plus 3 equals what? We need to find the answer to this problem. So I'm going to look at my first number, and my first number is 5 again, and I'm going to make 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Then I have to look at my second number here, and I have number 3. So I'm going to make 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And my last step is to add them all together. So I'm going to add them all together to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer to this problem is 8. And this is how you write number 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's go to our third problem. Our third problem is 6 plus 2 equals what? We need to find the answer to this problem. So my first number here is 6, so I have to make 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My second number is number 2, so I have to make 2 circles. 1, 2, and my last step is to add them all together. I have to add all the circles that I just made. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer again is 8. And this is how you write number 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's go to the next problem. And this problem is 8 plus 2 equals what? We need to find the missing number here. Right here, I can see that my first number is number 8. So I have to make 8 little circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I looked at this number here and it's telling me that I have to make 2 circles. 1, 2, and my last step again is to add all of them together. So let's do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my answer to this problem is 10. And this is how you write number 10, a 1 and a 0. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now this problem here is 2 plus 2 equals what? We need to find the answer to this problem. So right here, I can see that this is number 2. So I'm going to make 2 circles. 1, 2. And then my second number right here on the right side is number 2. So I'm going to make 2 circles. 1, 2. And my last step is to add them all together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is going to be 4 for this problem. And this is how you write the number 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. And our last problem for today is 1 plus 7 equals what? We need to find the answer to this problem. So right here I have number 1. So I'm going to make only one circle. And then right here on the right side, my number is 7. So I have to make 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my last step is to add them all together to find the answer to my problem. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer to this problem is 8. And this is how you write the number 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Okay? Make sure that you keep practicing addition problems.